Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curry. The monsoons are approaching and during the monsoons, I to love eating my bhajiyas, pakoras, my chaats, just name all the chatpata things and I love. So today, just for the monsoon evening, I'm going to show you a prawn corn cutlet. So for that, I'm going to take 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 1.5 inch ginger. I love spicy chatpata stuff. So what I've done is I have taken the spicy variety of green chilies. I've taken 7 to 8 of them. 10-15 leaves of fresh mint and a cup of fresh coriander. I'm going to grind all these ingredients a little coarse. So I have made this coarse without adding any water to this. I'm going to put this in a bowl where we're going to make the mixture for our cutlets. I have fresh corn over here. 1 cup of this corn. I'm going to grind it coarse as well. The corn, you must grind it only for a few seconds because we don't want it to become a nice paste. Here I have about 20 prawns which I have cleaned and deveined and washed, which I'm also going to coarsely ground along with 2 onions. And this is ready as well. Let's put it in the big bowl now. Now to this, I'm going to add all my dried spices, the coriander seed powder, a tablespoon of this, half a tablespoon of cumin seed powder. We've already added chilies to this, fresh green chilies. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and a teaspoon of amchur powder, some salt, and now I'm going to add boiled potatoes. I have 5 boiled potatoes here which I'm going to add to the prawns. Mix this well. To this I'm going to add a cup of breadcrumbs, fresh breadcrumbs. So my mixture is ready. I've already placed a pan to heat. I'm going to pour some oil in this. And now I'm going to make small cutlets, coat them with breadcrumbs, and I'm going to shallow fry them. Now since our corn and prawns are raw, they're not cooked, we're going to keep the flame on a very medium to low and slowly pan fry it till the corn and prawns are cooked. So don't make the cutlet too thick as well because the heat should reach inside. To cook the prawns and the corn while making this cutlet, it will take about 7 to 8 minutes, not more. Prawns don't take a very long time to cook. So these are nicely fried, golden and crisp on both the sides. I'm going to get it out in a plate now. Our prawn corn cutlets are done. I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala on this and make this even more chatpata. So these are done. Now I'm going to just put them in a serving platter and send them out immediately to my hungry son. For such simple monsoon recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried.